Welcome to Success Factory, where we provide everything you need to find your spark and turn it into a flame. Our global community helps you create your own home-based business, build your own sales team, and generate income. We are not like any other traditional network marketing companies. We do things differently at Success Factory. Acknowledging your hard work and dedication, we have put together a comprehensive compensation plan with no restrictions on members' sponsorship or team volumes. The benefits include, but are not limited to, a paid weekly commission, fair success distribution among affiliates, and unlimited earning potential. To become an affiliate and unlock your income potential, we have the Success Factory business fee. The fee is our way to help you focus on lifting your client base and strengthening your connections. At the same time, we deal with billing, reporting, customer support, and more. With the SF business fee of €25 per year, you can kick off your business and unlock your account. And with the SF Business Pro fee of €99 per year, you can unlock 2 income centers. Additional income centers will be unlocked once you reach the Topaz rank to a maximum of 9 income centers as you move up the ladder. We have devised our compensation plan into 4 types of revenue streams: customer acquisition bonus, volume bonus, leadership bonus, and rank awards. For the customer acquisition bonus, you earn a one-time commission, the equivalent of 10% of a sold product or service. Imagine you sell a bundle for €500, then you earn €50 for that sale. The more customers you onboard, the more money you earn. Next, the volume bonus. When you join Success Factory as a member, you will have 2 teams, the left team and the right team. As you grow your team, you decide which team you want to place a new member on. Your crew will grow as you and your team onboard new members. With the volume bonus, you will earn 10% of the total revenue generated from the weaker team. For example, your left team generated €10,000 in revenue volume, while your right team generated €15,000. Therefore, your volume bonus will be 10% of €10,000. That's €1,000. The volume bonus is paid every Monday. Moving to the leadership bonus. The leadership bonus is unlocked once you reach the Topaz rank. When you qualify to Topaz and higher, you will earn a 2% to 5% commission up to 10 layers of your sales team. The commission depends on your rank, team size, and the revenue volume generated in a specific time frame. Success Factory notices your effort as you continue to onboard new members and grow your team. Therefore, the leadership bonus can go as far as 10 generations deep. Finally, the rank awards. But first, let us explain how our ranking works. When you first join Success Factory as an affiliate, you start as a member. You qualify for our precious metal ranks with a minimum volume of €500, starting with iron, moving to bronze, silver, gold, up to platinum. The fun and earning potential starts when you rank up to gemstones. The first gemstone to reach is Topaz. To get this rank, you need to help one member from each team, left and right, reach the gold rank, with a total volume points of 20,000 and a minimum of 8,000 volume points from your weaker team. Now that you have achieved Topaz rank, your next rank to achieve is Sapphire. With Sapphire, you need to help one member from each team, left and right, reach the Platinum rank, with a total volume point of 40,000 and a minimum of 16,000 volume points from your weaker team. The same process is applicable for Ruby and Emerald. Our gemstone ranks are eligible for Success Factory awards, ranging from event tickets to cool tech, such as a MacBook Pro or Samsung Note. As Success Factory is all about wealth creation, we recognize your financial freedom. Therefore, you can qualify for the Diamond ranks. Starting with Diamond, moving to Blue, Black, and finally Crown Diamond. The Diamond rank gives you access to Success Factory awards. However, it can range from a cruise to a golden Hublot watch, a Mercedes-Benz, or an apartment in Dubai. Success Factory is all about igniting your flame. We then encourage you to reach our ambassador ranks. The rank is Success Factory recognizing your hard work and contribution to helping others achieve a better life. Your success is our success. With a community of 700,000 members, Success Factory is improving its affiliates' lives and helping them achieve financial freedom. Are you our next success story?